Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for.
So today I'm going to be doing a haul video, and this is a really inexpensive website. It's much like Saffel. I've done a few Saffel hauls before. So it's got like loads of inexpensive products on their website. They've got clothing, beauty, makeup, hair stuff. They've even got like homey things, so it is a really good website, and they have kindly sponsored this video, so I picked out a few products that I'm going to show / review to you. And yeah, if you aren't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell button. I'm really sorry I say this in every video, but sometimes my videos don't even come up in subscription boxes, so that is why the bell button is kind of a good thing if you don't want to miss a video. Without further ado, let's just hop right on into the video. So I'm going to start with clothing, and the first thing is like one of my favourite things. I'm going to show you it. It's so nice. I've already worn it to school, and I mean, I did get a compliment, so that's nice. So it is this really nice burnt orangey turtleneck sweater, and this will be a try on, so you'll see how it looks. All of my hauls are try ons. So it's like a knitted sweater and it's long sleeves. It's got like kind of wide balloony sleeves, and then they go in at the end, which I really like. I love the fit of this top because it is cropped as well, which makes it like even more perfect. Well, it is kind of cropped, it's not really cropped, it's like the right length, and I am quite short as well, so it isn't that cropped on me, but I love it. The next piece I got was a really nice thin, what colour is this? I would say like grey purple. I bet there is a name for this colour, but as you can see, it's a knitted top. It's very thin, so you can layer it, which is nice, and it's an off the shoulder like v-neckish. I haven't actually tried it on, but I will show you how it looks. And it just looks really comfy, and it is very scrinkly, but it has come a long way in the post, so it was probably when they folded it that it turned out like this, but I'm sure after hanging it up for a few days it will look good again. So that is that top. I think it's a really nice colour, and I think it's so cute for the autumn and winter time. And the quality of the first top that I showed you is so good, like it could be bought at Zara and you wouldn't really tell. So the next fashion piece I got were actually sock boots, and I'm in love with these guys. I can't wait to wear them. So they look like this. Okay, so here they are. They're pointy sock boots, which is like so in right now. And the heel is like, I don't know, it looks quite tall, but it doesn't feel tall when you put them on, because I have like worn them inside once. The only thing is that the sock part is not that tight on me, but it does stay up, so it's not like falling down. And I just think they look so cute. They'd look really nice with some like light wash mum jeans. I don't know, I think they're so cute. I absolutely love these, and they have a size guide on their website, so I definitely recommend using that. The next thing I have, I actually showed you in a vlog. I'm not sure if the vlog is up yet because my vlogs don't want to upload for some reason. I don't know why, it's so annoying. But it's this onesie that is the softest thing ever. It's honestly like a blanket, and I love this so much. It's so warm. I've never had a onesie before, and it's just as warm inside, which is amazing. So it's just a onesie. I got it in a size small / extra small, but I'm so short, so it is quite long on me. But yeah, it's got a little hood. On the hood it's got a little pom-pom, which is the cutest thing ever. And yeah, on it's just got Santa Clauses and snowflakes, and at the bottom it goes in like that, so it doesn't matter that they're too big. It also does that at the arms, so that is so nice. Love just sitting in that, drinking some hot chocolate, watching a Christmas film. It's good. Christmas will already be over when I post this, so sorry about that. But it's Christmas in 2 days. No, it's Christmas in 1 day. It's Christmas tomorrow. Oh, it's come too fast. So the next thing I'm going to show you is accessories. So I have a few. So the first ones are these like adorable black and gold tassel earrings that have been so in. They're very trendy right now, but they're so nice. I love them so much. Such a statement piece. They're adorable. The next pieces of earrings I got are also tassels, but these ones are red. Oh, so these ones came with like things you can pull off to keep them like straight. That's nice. And these are also gold and red, and I love red and gold, so these are like perfect. I'll probably wear them for Christmas actually. They're so adorable. Oh my god, these are so pretty. I love these. The next pair of earrings I got are just gold, so these are like twizzly things, which looks so cool, and these will also look really good with like, I don't know. Earrings are such a nice way of spicing up a boring outfit. So I absolutely love earrings because, I mean, it's not that much effort to just throw on a cute pair of earrings in the morning. I absolutely love these. Yep, so they're just gold twizzlies, and I can't believe I've been getting into earrings recently because I never used to be into earrings, but now I am. And I'm saying that I'm not wearing any. I was wearing before, but then when I filmed this New Year's makeup look, I had to take them out because they were gold and I wanted silver, but I couldn't find any. So my battery's gonna die, my camera's gonna die, so I have to hurry up. The next thing I got was a cap, and this is like a velvet cap, and I actually got this for John, and this is like the only thing that I'm a bit disappointed about because on the website I swear it didn't look like it was a velvet cap because John just wanted a normal burgundy cap, but we didn't see that on the picture, and it came like velvety, which some people would like, but John doesn't like it, and I don't suit caps, so I'm gonna have to give this to someone. But it is a really nice cap, like it's velvet and burgundy. My voice keeps going, okay. So the next thing I got was a set of marble brushes, and cheeky me, I actually used them today for this makeup look, but I really like them. The quality seems really good. Like, I've tried to like pull like little bristles out, but they don't come out, which is a good sign. So I know I'm in a different location and different clothes and everything. It's a different day, but I did forget to include some things in this haul, so I'm just going to show you them really quickly. The first thing I have from Rosegal that I forgot to include were these shoes, and I mean I couldn't not include these because aren't these like the prettiest boots ever, and they're red and they've got a little heel, not too big, so they're perfect for me. I can walk in them, and the toe is kind of pointy. It feels like good quality, and you've got a zip down here, and yeah, the size fitted. I just used the size converter thing, and these are in European sizes as well, so like 37 is my actual size anyway, so yay! I just thought these were so cute, and they're great like going out shoes or just to spice up an outfit. Like, they look good with everything. Next thing I forgot to show you, actually I didn't forget to show you, but my memory card, like I lost it, so I lost the footage as well. But the next thing are these fairy lights, but they're actually clips. So these are perfect for hanging up Polaroid pictures, and for those of you who watch my what I got for Christmas video, hint hint, you will know I got a Polaroid camera, so I'm definitely going to be using these a lot. Like, I'm going to hang them up in my room, and they light up, and it will just look so nice and so Tumblr and so cute. I'm kidding, but I think that was a really smart idea, so I had to get those. They're battery driven as well, which is really good because you don't need a plug. Next thing I got from Rosegal were a set of marble brushes. We've got a lot of brushes here. We've got a little angled one. We've got a tiny angled one for your eyebrows. We've got a little tapered, I think that's what it's called. Great for under eyes. We've got this one, looks quite good for like blush or highlight or something. Got a little blender, another little flat one. And this one looks like a little stippling brush for like foundation or concealer or something. So they're all very usable, and the bristles don't fall out, which is like, you probably know that's my main thing with brushes. I'm not that picky, just that the brushes don't fall out and they feel like quite soft. These feel really soft, so I like these. And the last thing I'm going to show you from Rosegal are these little drawstring bags, and I think these are the cutest bags ever. Also, I've tanned, if you couldn't tell. Maybe you couldn't, maybe you could. So they're these little ones, and they came in a set. I've got another one here. I've actually got some makeup brushes in here. So you've got like a medium, a big, and then a baby one. And I thought this would be so cute for like traveling. So you could put like your skincare in the big one, skincare and toiletries, and then maybe your brushes or some other like electronic things you don't want to tangle up. And then for the small one, I think I'm going to use this for jewelry. So these are perfect. I'm so happy I got these, and they're going to come in very much use, and they don't take up as much place as like a toiletry bag, because these are like, you know, they can crimp together to be small. So yeah, that is everything for this haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave a comment of what video you want to see next. And all of the links are down below if you want to check them out. And here are the shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much. Thank you for always commenting and subscribing and liking my videos. It means everything to me. So I will see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye!